Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Checking out the Bitcoin price action as we're ripping up or going sideways, should I say, and Ethereum is pumping. So we're going to look at the altcoins as well today. Let's do a top-down analysis with Market Cypher, what we're seeing and really where we think we are going. Obviously, the weekly is still in indecision right now. It is undecided. Let's continue here through the 3-day. The 3-day is going to print in about 16 hours here, and it is looking a little rough. Let's be honest. This is not looking the greatest. We wanted to see follow through, not this big topping tail. However, if we can reset and continue, that would be great after this breakout. Now, looking at our daily is where we start to get a little bit of an idea of, hey, man, we're cooling down a little bit here, but we do have some positive posturing here on our VWAP. This always tends to lead to quite a nice move, especially with the curvature. Always watch the curvature on the Market Cypher. This will give you a leading indication that we are going to possibly push back up. And you can see that money flow is making a higher high, which is very important as well. Sideways consolidation on stochastics leads to possibly a push up. Now, that's not exactly what I'm thinking here. I have a couple of trade ideas for you guys going into this morning in the market open of what we can look for in the price action so that we can take advantage of it and make some money, okay? I'm going to have that for you soon. Going into our 12-hour here, we can see we got a little bit of a rejection, a little rejection from the zero line here, which is fine. It's kind of funny. It's making like an inverse head and shoulders here on VWAP, which is good, but we do want to see that posturing turn back to the upside here. And right now we have a couple of negative candles, which is fine. It's just, can we come down a little bit more potentially, and then we're going to go up? That's more of an idea that I have currently going on right now, but you can see right now it's currently trickling down in this downtrend. Okay, going over to the 8 hours, something I like to watch with the money flow. We are starting to print a red dot, which is a little bit concerning. It looks like it does want to roll over. A little quick rejection here off of our zero line pushing down, which is a suggestion that we could retrace, okay? Retrace, The 4-hour trigger wave that we gave in advance over here has played, okay? It has played because we are red dotting now. So we have pushed out and on, and that was a nice, beautiful 3.5% move for the Discord members. And if you are new and you haven't joined our incredible, unstoppable, beautiful Discord, then I don't know what you're doing. I mean, we got trade setups coming from Kyle, meetings, lessons, HRJ with I don't even know how many trades this guy has absolutely nailed. All targets hit on APT, 256%. Oh, look, another one. Oh, look, another one. Oh, look, another one. I mean, it is absolutely a plethora of good setups. We have CVO giving a beautiful, beautiful trade setup, beautiful lessons as well myself, and it's just been a plethora of amazing trades. Even our Tia hitting beautiful levels, our Soul hitting beautiful levels. Anyways, let's jump back into the analysis. So the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. You guys know every morning I specify these to kind of forecast your day. This is going to give you a certain amount of candles, which will really give you a good idea of what's going to happen throughout that day. And, for me, I always scalp live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time when I'm not on vacation, which I am right now. So I'll be back doing that next week. So make sure you tune into that. Now going into our 3, we have that trigger wave to the downside. The 2, the trigger wave to the downside pushing down. Now VWAP is pushing up, but for me, it's more of this like anchor trigger wave in here that's really going to play a bigger part in maybe a correction. We see curvature in here. Okay, we see strong money flow. However, price is still stalling out. Okay, so when we get into this area here, we can see that we have pushed up and we've left a lot of liquidity to the downside available. Okay, so there is still a lot of liquidity in here. Now, the biggest concern I have right now is that we never swept this low right here, I believe. Boop. We never swept this low. Okay, so this low, in my opinion, should have been swept. Okay, this move in here, I would have liked the SFP into here and then the bounce. So this is my key target right now. If we come down into here and then we go, that would be the bullish sign, right? because this would form some sort of wyckoff in here, and that would be our spring, right? That would be our spring out, and then we'd have consolidation, push out, consolidation, push out. Okay. Doesn't mean it happens today. We are range bound right now on Bitcoin. We will look at the altcoins at the end of the video. Okay, so you can see we are currently bouncing off the point of control. I would look for us to sweep down to that level down here at 115, 126. Okay, that would be my target if we are going to come lower. Now, we do have some other targets down below that we should be aware of. These are some key volume levels that we used in our Discord, which are quite incredible, and you can see how they've been respected throughout. And we're looking to hold the point of control. However, we could rotate back down to that $115,000 level. Okay, looking at our key areas, the areas that we do have right now is obviously a sweep of the liquidity down below in here. Okay, we have a golden pocket 786 that we are aware of, just below price action currently. So we could actually get a bounce if we roll into here, and we could change market structure and go. That would be a potential long setup for today. Okay. And then we hit into our big resistance level. Okay, this resistance level still remains. We do have the golden pocket up high that we never came into. So if we do continue to push here, we could still potentially get rejected from here and then work our way down. Okay, so if this, then that. We always want to make better decisions at key levels. At key levels, that's going to really allow us to maximize our profitability and our win percentage. Okay, so looking for the sweep down below. We'll see if we get it. Looking at the 30-minute here. Yeah, 30 minutes is getting a little bit oversold, but not quite down there yet. 50-minute, yeah, same deal. A little bit of bottoming structure in here, nothing to write home about. Okay, just bear flagging out here. So could we roll it eventually? Absolutely. I would like to see us come back into here and then go. Okay, where's VWAP? Let's check VWAP. Yeah, we're just chopping VWAP. So be aware of that. So that's my idea for Bitcoin. Hopefully that helps you, and hopefully that helps you navigate the charts. Now let's talk about some altcoins. Okay, and yes, we gave him like all of our altcoin setups absolutely banged. It was incredible. You can see Pengu here has actually come back down to the setup. We are looking a little bit lower now. So I am looking for retracements now. I'm going to be updating the Discord today at some point with all of the altcoin charts that we do. We go through and we absolutely bombard you guys with a absolute mass amount of altcoins. As you can see in here, you have multiple ideas, multiple setups, where we're looking, what we're doing, how we're looking to get them. Then you have actual like entry given setups like we did on Sui. Okay, Sui was incredible. Let's just say Sui was incredible. Look at this thing, 25% move. Incredible job. Anyways, let's stop shilling. Let's get back to the TA. So Ethereum is leading the way. Okay, Ethereum is leading the way. We can see it is continuing to climb. Okay, 3,600 to 3,700 is kind of a target right now. Can we continue to push? Absolutely, right? This thing is on fire, but we need to remember that all good things come to an end, right? All good things come to an end. I'm that guy. Yeah, I guess I am that guy sometimes, but that's fine. You'll be all right. We'll navigate this together. So where are we coming to right now? I just wanted a blank chart, everybody. We are coming up to the highs here of our golden pocket 786 area of retracement. Okay, so the thing with Ethereum right now is that we move quite swiftly between this area right here and this area right here. Okay, it's just obvious. You can see how fast price moves within here. So this would be the range to hold for Ethereum. Let's just put it up at 3,000 psychological level, right? So we typically move fast up to 3,000, then we consolidate, and then we get rejected. Okay, that's what happens. We get rejected up here. Okay, so yes, this is great. This is a beautiful push for Ethereum. We warned the Discord yesterday to rotate into coins like Arbitrum, Optimism, Pepe, all the Aave, all those easy leveraged kind of Ethereum plays, which is something, we take pride in. We notify people every single day. So as we push into this area, where are we looking to stop? And we can see that we are looking to not only hold the point of control, but rotate up to the value area high. Now we do see that there is quite a lot of resistance here at that $3,600 level. So that's where I'm looking for this thing to initially get rejected at, even though we're at the 786 right now. Beautiful momentum to the upside. Okay, so we're looking for revisits of previous highs. So where would we be looking right now? If we're looking at this chart, we'd be looking all the way down here. Probably not feasible, right? So I'd be looking down in here. Maybe we go 3,200. That would be a better idea, in my opinion, somewhere back down in here if we're going to get rejected. Now, this doesn't have to stop. The train is absolutely leaving the station, left the station. So how do we jump on a trend? If you're a part of our Discord, you understand how we retest previous highs, go to order blocks, go to fib zones, and we jump in on the trend so we don't have to necessarily miss it and we catch part of the move. Some things that I'm looking that haven't fully popped off on, okay? AI, render, looking for render to go. Just breaking through that bottom part of the resistance, okay? I'm looking at render. I'm looking at BitTensor. Sorry, up there, okay? I'm looking at Pepe. Okay, I'm looking at Doge. Doge is still got a lot of room to go as well, in my opinion. Okay. Now we did talk about the leveraged ETH plays. Arbitrum playing out quite nicely. Okay, we have a beautiful setup here. Link catching up right now, looking really good as well. Okay, these are the things that we're looking at. Sui's kind of stalling out right now. It might be a good opportunity to get back in. Okay, it stalled out the last couple of days. This might be back up to $5 sooner than later. Be aware of that. Looking at our others dominance chart, we have actually just hit a key level here. This is important to note, is that we have consolidated, broke down, consolidated, broke down, consolidated, broke down. We are now re-entering the consolidation point at 7.5% here. Can we hold and push? Right, we would like to see this get back up to that 9% level. That's going to act as critical resistance. Okay, so a nice push for others. Total 3 has put in that higher high. Continuation all the way up here, hitting key resistance as we speak. That psychological 1 trillion market cap level. Okay, 1 trillion. Okay, looking really good. So a revisit of previous highs is probably a must. So any pullback right now is meant to be for buying. That is cool and all. However, we want to be taking trades on the key tokens. Okay, we have a good little setup right now on hype that has come back to $45. Now, if we lose $45, I'm definitely looking a little bit lower at this retest of the previous high down at 42.8. Okay, so keep that on your chart. 42.8, but looking to possibly bounce here. This was given to our Discord at 45.9. It's already up 3%, but looking to get to that $60 mark on hype. It has been moving. There is hype on hype. Filecoin looking good. Virtual looking good. Okay, Jasmine actually getting a move finally. SEI trades very similarly to Sui. Keep your eyes on that. Now we're looking at the big institutional stock market. What we see here. Okay, so we called, and I mean, whatever, inverse head and shoulders here on the Russell. Okay, we still have a lot of room to go here. Okay, we have not yet got into expansion yet, which is what we saw in the previous market when we got an absolute Valhalla pump over here. Okay, I think this is going to take like interest rate cuts and stuff like that. So remember, if we're going to interest rate cuts, I'm thinking September, okay? I'm thinking September. So that means we got a little bit of waiting to do. That means we could absolutely get a retracement, and that could be very devastating. When we look at previous runs up, okay, let me just show you this little bit of information. When we get previous runs up, final runs up into our euphoric bull run, okay? There is a area where they wreck you, okay? Where they wreck it. You're not only you're going up, but you get these corrections. This 25% down, 17% down, and the final one, 25% down. Even on the way up, look at this wick. John Wick's grandmother lives here. Okay, 17%. Okay, be aware that it's going to be volatile. That they are going to absolutely rug you. That they're not going to make it easy for you. So you must use good risk management and stop loss. Don't get too euphoric. Don't be buying tops, okay? Let's be patient. Set the trap. The S&P consolidating sideways still looks really good. NASDAQ sideways still looking really good. Actually pushing up quite nicely. Crypto bills getting past. Everything is looking good. If you're enjoying this content and you're enjoying the update, don't forget to like and subscribe and join us over in the Discord. I would love to see you there. Drop an otter in the chat, and hopefully you enjoy the music. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up,